term, whichever comes first.
Moving on, the Speaker of the National Assembly, Moses Wetangula, has asked members of Parliament to submit their security details for vetting days after Kasipul MP Charles Ong'ondo was gunned down in Nairobi. Speaking during a Requeim Mass at Consolata Shrine in Westlands, Speaker Wetangula said the move will prevent any lapses in lawmakers' security in the future. This comes at a time when Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen has revealed that some of the suspects in Were's murder were his close handlers. Winfrey Owino has the details.
Friends and family of the slain Kasipul MP Charles Ong'ondo gathered at Consolata Shrine for a mass in remembrance of the lawmaker who was gunned down on the streets of Nairobi.
You are my hero, my guide, my greatest supporter. Your strength, wisdom, and unconditional love shaped the person I am today.
While issuing condolence messages, political leaders called on Kenyans to shun from sharing negative sentiments about the deceased, with most describing Were as a devoted leader and a loyal member of the ODM party.
When a member of parliament dies, it is not only personal business, because I know Honorable Ong'ondo Were, but it is also my professional duty.
I want to ask people who celebrate the death of a leader, please to stop it.
Please ignore all that has been said out there. Cherish the memories that you shared with Mheshimiwa, like we will all do, those of us who have worked with him. And we worked with him since he joined Parliament last term. And Mheshimiwa Were was a gentleman par excellence.
Huyu ni alikuwa mwanachama wa ODM ambaye alikuwa na kienzi hiki chama chetu ambacho alikuwa na heshimu sana, na alikuwa advisor wa karibu wa Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga.
Were, unless he's outside the country, is in his constituency. And he can attend 10 funerals in a day. He will go to a small funeral, a big, any funeral, Were goes there.
National Assembly Speaker Moses Wetangula called for an assessment of MPs' security detail to ensure their safety going forward. He has also vowed to avail surveillance footage from Parliament to help with investigations.
Going forward, I want to encourage each one of you to submit back your security details for vetting, for us to get to know what kind of security you have. Kikulacho, kinguone mwako.
With mourners pushing for justice for the slain MP, Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen has revealed that some of the suspects were the deceased's close handlers. The police have arrested 3 people, including a driver and a bodyguard attached to the deceased, and recovered a weapon suspected to have been used in the murder.
This is a very heinous crime that was done in a very cavalier manner, involving people that ordinarily some should have taken good care of the interests of the Member of Parliament.
Plans to relook the state of city surveillance cameras are also underway. With that being said, the final journey of slain Kasipul MP Charles Ong'ondo officially begins. His body will be airlifted from Nairobi to Kabunde Airstrip in Homa Bay, and it will be received by a procession towards Kachien village ahead of a night vigil before he is laid to rest on Friday. Winfrey Owino, KTN.
Thanks, Winfrey. Still on related news, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations has requested